¿Qué ole? Looks like they caught something. Looks like they caught something. And it's a big one because he's been fighting it for a few minutes. He was over there. Oh shit. He was over there. He brought it from all the way over there. But yeah, hey guys, this is the famous spot where I got my big link caught over